Welcome back, friends, to the Max Q Barbecue My Cybertruck Journey. Today we got a special treat for you. I've been looking for an adapter for when I go on a long road trip across the country where I can stop in at CCS charging stations like EVGO and Electrify America. Because even though the Tesla supercharger network is amazing and awesome, there might be times where I'm in an area where I just don't have access to a Tesla supercharger in a location where I want to stop. So I've been looking for a CCS to NACS, or the National Standard, which is the Tesla adapter, so that I can stop at CCS1 or J1772 stations. Well, I've been watching the internet and watching a lot of the vendors, and one thing I learned was that many of the existing CCS1 to NACS adapters, that the neck on the adapter is too short to use with the Tesla Cybertruck because of the fender flares. Well, our friends at EVBASE sent me one of their new prototype combo J1772 and CCS1 to NACS adapters. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and take a look at it. First thing you notice is a pretty heavy piece of gear here. So let's open this thing up and see. In fact, it just almost doesn't quite fit into this case. Well, there you have it. And I think the first thing you'll notice is look how long this neck is on this adapter. And the other thing is you'll notice it's very similar to any other CCS plug. It's got a little cover that covers up the DC charging pins. And then, like all CCS ones, you have a J1772 connector here. So let's go out in the field and let's go test this thing out and see how it works under real life conditions and prove that this will be a valuable accessory to carry around in your Cybertruck.
Okay friends, today we're going to be testing out the EVBASE dual J1772 and CCS charger adapter. We're here at our charge point AC charging, so we're going to find out about the J1772 here in just a sec. Well, the first thing we need to do is check it out, see how it fits. This has to have a longer NACS neck on it so that it will clear the fairing here. And notice this one does clear quite nicely. The pin, oops, all right, we're authorized. We're gonna go ahead and check it out here. Okay, this top should be the J1772. Let's see if it'll look good. Alrighty friends, just want to show you that the J1772 adapter on this combo device, this combo adapter from EVBASE, successfully works with the Cybertruck. No impingement problems with the fender flares. So J1772, check. All right, folks, we're gonna check out this EVGO combo J1772 charger and adapter. We have it plugged into the Tesla. It looks like it's communicating. And we're gonna see whether whether this takes the details. Let's see. It's charging 90 kilowatts. It's actually communicating with the truck here. Awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. So this is my first time to actually charge on a CCS1, and my second time for using this adapter. This Electrify America station is working great. It's ramping up to 88 kilowatts, 89. Of course, we're not, didn't do any battery conditioning. We
just drove over here to test this out. I wasn't interested in trying to speed up the performance or anything of it. Just wanted to test out the adapter and make sure the adapter works. And looks like it's doing fantastic. I'm just going to take it up to about 50-55%, and then I'll let it go from there. But just wanted to test this at EVBASE adapter. Okay, looks like our charging is limited by this station. When I got here, there was 1 of 8 chargers available, so everybody's charging up right now. So don't expect the high speeds, even though this is available up to 350 kilowatts. I did not condition the battery, and this station is full. All right, friends, we're up to 50% state of charge. That's all I wanted to do, but I just wanted to demonstrate that this charging adapter works. So we're going to turn over here and ask the charger to stop. And we hear some clicks. We see that the charge port is not flashing, it's white, and we're able to take it out. So now I'm going to remove the adapter, and we'll be on our way. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed our videos today of us going out and testing our combination J1772 CCS to NACS adapter. As you can see, it met all of our expectations for connecting our Tesla Cybertruck to level 2 chargers with the J1772 handles on it, as well as to the DC chargers with the CCS1. We tried 2 DC charging stations. We tried a EVGO station, as well as the Electrify America, which you saw in the video. I think we're pretty excited about having this accessory in our truck and getting ready to go on a long trip with it, knowing that we can stop at Pilots, Fly-In J's, and other charging facilities to charge up our Cybertruck when we're not in range or don't have an easily accessible Tesla supercharger near us. So please sure to go out and look at the EVBASE website. We have an affiliate code in the links down below, so if you want to order one and take advantage of the discounts and also support our channel, be sure to use the affiliate link or put in the coupon code MAXQ, M-A-X-Q, for discounts, and letting the fine folks at EVBASE know that you're going after that tried, tested EV charger. This thing is rock solid, it's good quality, it's moisture rated. I think you'll be very happy. The terminals inside are silver plated, so I don't think you can go wrong with this. We haven't put it under extreme testing yet, but our initial analysis, hey, it'll work and we can use it. And then as I go on some of these longer trips, I'll give you maybe a follow-up if I find there's anything that we need to know about this other than the fact that it works just fine. So hope you enjoyed our video today. Be sure to like and subscribe.